Updating Ubuntu, it asks me, the transcode of the viewed border of the third moon, it may request the pyramid table for the sun. In time, it will array itself into the third performance. The performance of network C51829 is by my brother Kung Kao. The democracy of law based upon implementation and network, it will require cell E8921. By the spirit energy, it will reverse the timer to play itself into the maximum number of working partition. In the general store of the hierarchy, it will relay itself into the deformation. The working partition will generate 245, which is the oil wave from the machine. The machine is EG8921. By the spirit of the sun, it will reverse the timer to play itself into the maximum number of working partition. In the general store of the hierarchy, it will preview the data by structuring the network to the selection. In so, it will deform itself into the messages of the composition. To transcode the system, it's updated, thank God for that. It will deview itself into the message of the composition to LLR the technology. In time, it will reweave itself into the material. The material is cell E1829. Thank you.